What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, my name is Cassie and I'm a beauty and lifestyle content creator based in Lagos. Okay. Lately I've not really been in the creating mood, and sure, I've been putting out content, but those content are like mainly for brands, but like, I'm talking about my own stuff, like personal, videos. I've been like lazy, not really lazy, but like unmotivated because I don't know, I feel like I've been complaining about my phone for the longest time. And the quality of my current phone is, I'm sure you guys can tell right here on YouTube, because all the videos I'll be putting out, all the vlogs, if I may say, I've been like really low quality, and that's because if I don't do it that way, I won't get a lot of footage to work with. And guys, I can go on and on, but I think I'll just save it for when God blesses me with an upgrade of like my favorite camera ever. Okay, the Canon M50 or the Canon M50 Mark II, because now there's a Mark II, or either that or an iPhone 11 Pro Max, and now because there's now an iPhone 12 Pro Max, yeah, God can decide to bless me with that too. So when that happens, I'm going to give you guys all this backstory and all of that, because right now I don't want to seem like I'm complaining, because I'm really appreciative of this phone, okay? But the reason why I'm even like talking about it is because this my phone has been acting up, and it has really gotten to me, because I'm just really scared that if I stress the phone too much, I might end 2020 without any phone. But anyways, this video is not all about that. I'm really trying. If you guys know me, you know that I always push for positivity, happy vibes no matter what. So yeah, our phone is still working, we are still managing it. It's gonna work till we upgrade. Okay, so for today guys, I've written out a couple of things I want to do. Are you seeing how long this list is? Are you seeing that? But yeah, this is just to like motivate me to like do stuff and not just sit down. I'll see you guys when I see you. All right, stay happy always. So guys, I'm back. Yeah, it didn't take long at all, because the DHL office is just at my junction. Okay, and it's a good thing I left when I did, because the rider the DHL rider was actually waiting, even though it's their office. I think he needed me to be there to collect it before he moves. So I'm glad I didn't take his time at all. So yeah guys, apparently I don't think you guys will get to see that part, or I might just like cut and you guys be confused as to why that part is jumpy. But yeah, the package I thought I was expecting is not what just came. Okay, so that one is still on its way, which is like so confusing, because it's been over a month. But it turns out it's another brand in Nigeria that I don't know, like I need to like start scheduling my stuff, because apparently I've been in communication with a lot of brands, and I don't even know the one I'm receiving. Hey, God is working. God is working, and up till now I still don't know the brand that sent me this package. But yeah, my name is on the package, so it's me. Okay, I'm going to check Instagram, because the brand usually lets me know when my package is on its way to me, and if it's the brand I'm thinking it is, they told me they will let me know once they send it. And so yeah, I'm excited to unbox this. So I need to quickly unbox this so I know the brand that sent it, and I can let them know that it has gotten to me. And yeah, we'll move from there. Okay, let's see. I think I need to for this. Okay, no, my nails is working fine. It's the brand. Oh my god. Well, not the brand I thought it was, but it's the one I also think it is. I hope I'm not confusing you guys. Don't mind my messy corner right there. I'm about to do my makeup, to do some reels, and yeah, that's why it's there. But anyways, back to the package unboxing. This is so weird, a corner to be unboxing from, but yeah. Ta-da! Ah! It's the brand. Oh my god, like I'm so excited. Guys, looky here. Look, this is the brand. Ah! They make skincare stuff. So yeah, I'm excited to try it out because we spoke, and I think they like customized this package for me, like to work on my skin and all of that, which is nice. Like some brands will just send you and like use. But yeah, they asked me and everything, so I'm excited. Aha, you guys. I think this is the first proper, well, not really proper, but like first time I'm really like unboxing the package for you guys. But yeah, I need to go over to Instagram now and let them know that I've gotten it, and they do some, you know, Instagram stuff on my story. Okay. Yeah. So guys, let me quickly do the unboxing for you guys because I have a lot to do. I need to still cook lunch. Okay, so the first thing I have here is their face cream. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, this is the face cream. I don't know what I'm doing, as if I have a DSLR camera trying to make it focus and all of that. And then they sent their black pride soap. Wow, I guess it got squashed from like transition and all of that. So, but yeah, this is what it looks like. It says black pride here. Like the container is pressed, which is understandable because, you know, transportation. So this is what it looks like. Let me try and open it for you guys. And then this one, so thank you, Omotanwa. So thank you very much, Omotanwami. I don't know. Okay, but let me try again. Omotanwami. This is it. This is what it says. Okay guys, so that's everything that came in this package. Thanks for unboxing with me today. Come back some other time. No, stick around. I'm just joking. Stick around. Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. It is Tuesday. I believe it's 2:10 already. But anyways, I'm off to help my mom drop off the customer's order with Jumia because she has a shop with them. So yeah, they'll ship it off to the destination. So I don't feel like going out. I'm not even gonna lie, because but yeah, I love my mommy, so I'm gonna do it. And after then I'll branch off to the market to get a few things, just a few things to make soup. Yeah, I'm not wearing any earrings. That's because my sister has been taking all my earrings and she has lost like most of them, and the ones that are available, they have no hooks, so I need to remember to get earrings for like walkabouts and movements. But yeah, so let's move on and get everything sorted. See you guys real soon.
More moments later.
Loading, loading. I'm on loading. Awesome. Oh god. OG, oh bokpe. I want to sing good. I want to do. I can't feel my face, come on. I can't feel my face, come on. Moti yokpa. What am I yokpa? That's my song at the moment. But anyways guys, this is much later. The last time you guys saw me was in the morning when I was like going to run some errands, and yeah, so this is evening. I believe it's almost 6 right now. So yeah, quick story, I got back, made this soup I wanted to make, and yeah, I couldn't vlog guys because I was already stressed out. Can you see the sun? Are you guys seeing like this sun? Yo, hey, like why did I say like but yeah, like the sun, I thought I was frying, like I felt like a crispy chicken. So after I finished cooking and we ate and all of that, I was feeling sleepy, and then I thought to myself, yo, I haven't posted anything on Instagram this week, and tomorrow is Wednesday, that is midweek already. So yeah, that's not good because we gotta move up this content creating game, okay? So yeah, I just thought to do at least one reels today. I know I mentioned to you guys earlier, I think on Monday, that oh, I'm gonna make reels that day, blah 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 blah. I did not do shit. I did not do one thing. Like, yo, it's not easy, yo. It's not easy, yo. I've actually done it, but I haven't edited it, so it's not up yet, and it's almost 6, if not 6 already. I just thought to come update you guys because as I finished the reels, I was about heading in, and I was like, yo, I haven't updated my vlog, okay? And it won't be a vlog if I don't update you guys every step of the way. So that is why I'm here. I'm going to end it here. So if you've watched up to this point, please subscribe to this channel. Okay, if you want to keep seeing us, me and this nice shirt is big, so I just threw it on everything. So yeah, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video, okay? So yeah, peace and love and light, joy to the world, every good thing I wish for you, my sport. Did it just rhyme? Bye guys.